placing the mirror, I'm going to start by removing this corner piece here. Then I'm going to move down to the door handle, and you want to remove this cap with a pick or a screwdriver, whatever you have. Take that out. That'll expose a Phillips head screw that you have to remove. Next, this armrest actually has to pull straight up. That exposes your main anchor bolt for the door panel. Remove that. There's one more plastic clip here. You want to push in the center. That'll unlock it and then pull it straight out. And to reinstall it, I like to pull it out before. That'll make it easier to install. Next, I'm going to pry from the bottom of the door panel. That'll pop out all the plastic clips that are still holding this in. All right, now you want to slide this up. And if you look on the back side, there will be these two cables for the door handle. This top one is for the lock, and you want to pull it straight out. This ball will slide out, up and out of its socket. It popped out as I removed it. Do the same to this one. There's a wire here for the light. The tab to unlock it is on the top, so if you just press it with your thumb, pull that connector out, and then you have two more here, one for the mirror switch and one for the window switch. And there's a tab on the back side here. It's kind of hard to see, but you can feel it. Press that in, and then this outer sleeve, it's supposed to slide out, and that's what's going to unlock this whole connector. These can be a little bit stuck sometimes. There we go. Once that pops out, the whole connector comes out and your door panel is free. I'm going to start by popping this retainer out of here. There we go. Now you can disconnect your mirror, and with a 10mm remove all three of these nuts. On the last one, I'm going to hold the mirror from the other side. It's easiest if you have your window already rolled down. Now you can take the mirror, wiggle it out of place, and remove it. Take your new mirror. I'm going to slide the wire through first and pull it all the way. That way it doesn't get caught between the mirror and the door. Make sure your seal is pressed tight up against the mirror, and slide it in. Line up your three studs. While holding it, start on at least one of your nuts and get it close so it can hold the mirror. Now put on the other two and snug them up. I'm going slow on this because I don't want to break these studs. And you noticed as I tightened these, the mirror got sucked in and pressed up against the door. Just going to go around and check them all. As these get seated, as one gets tighter, two others might get looser just because the gasket is seating itself. That's nice and tight for me. Looks like I'm going to have to transfer the retainer from the old wire. That's okay, but I will plug it in. I reinstalled the retainer from the original mirror, and I'm going to use some electrical tape, go around the back of it, and just tape it up. You just want to make sure that it's secured on here. There we go, just secure it on the retainer here. You can also use a wire tie if that's what you have. Basically, you want to make sure it doesn't get pinched in the door here. All right, now let's reinstall the door panel. I'm going to start with this main window connection. Make sure this outer locking sleeve is pulled back all the way, otherwise it won't let you slide the wire in. Press that in, now lock it. Then you have the mirror adjuster switch, the light on the door. The wire is very short and thin, so be careful. There we go. And lastly, the two cables. If you don't remember where they go, it's easy to find out. If you pull on it and it springs back, that's the door handle. If you pull on the other one and it doesn't, it's a lock, unlock type thing. The top one is the lock. It actually goes in from the bottom, slide it into its groove, and secure it right there where it locks in. And then the door handle itself slides in from the top and then secures in. Now take the door panel, and you want to hook it up and over this lip of the door and press it down into place. You can look through the side here and make sure that these push tabs are lined up. And once they are, lock them into place. All right, I'm going to continue with my main anchor screw for the door. Reinstall your armrest. Next is this screw up here by the door handle. Make that snug, and then put your cover back on. Make sure this clicks, otherwise it'll fall off when you use the door handle. And there was also this push clip here. Like I said, make sure you pull it out to reinstall it, and then press it flush to lock it in. One last thing is this triangle looking cover here. Press that on, and you're all set.